Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ07. This bike has a lot of curb appeal. Look at that gorgeous matte silver and metallic blue paint scheme. I love the blue wheels. Only 13,500 miles on this gorgeous fuel-injected twin, liquid-cooled. Really awesome. It's got a fender eliminator. Wait till you hear that Black Widow carbon fiber exhaust. Come on by. Make your naked sport twin dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.